The key components of an event format help shape the overall guest experiences, and it can act as the skeleton of the event. First, the delivery mode determines how guests attend, whether in person, virtual, or hybrid. For example, a traditional church wedding, a live stream ceremony, or a combination of both. Second, session type refer to the structure of activities or segments such as the ceremony, speeches and toasts, dinner, games, and dancing in a wedding. Three, the tone set the atmosphere, whether formal, like a black tie ballroom wedding, or informal, like a relaxed garden or beach celebrations. Lastly, duration defines how long the event will last, from a half-day ceremony and a reception to a full-day wedding with multiple activities or even multi-day destination wedding. So together, these components determine how the event flows and how the guest experience it, making the format a critical part of planning. Event brand is essential for creating a memorable and engaging experiences. It establishes a unique identity, giving the event a distinct look and feel. For example, a couple might design a custom monogram or logo featuring their essentials or initials. It can be used on invitation, stage decor, and souvenir. So strong branding also increases the emotional connection with guests, such as rustic theme wedding with where decor, music, and attire reflect the couple's story, making attendee feel part of the journey. And additionally, effective branding drives registration and engagement as creative invitations or teaser video makes guests excited to attend. Finally, it supports marketing efforts by promoting the event consistently across different platforms. For instance, using a consistent theme and hashtag like Mark and Anna Forever on social media, making the wedding more visible and shareable. In short, branding is more than colors and logos. It's about creating an experience people remember, making the a celebration uniquely the couples, just as companies use branding to stand out in MICE event. The key elements of event branding define how guests perceive and remember an event. First, the event name gives the celebration an identity, like Forever Begins Today, Mark and Anna's Wedding, or Tech Vision 2025 conferences. A tagline or slogan communicates the essence of the events, such as a love written in the star for a wedding or Innovation Tomorrow, today's for a business conferences. The visual identity includes the logo, color scheme, typography, and graphics. For example, a blush pink and gold floral logo for a wedding or a modern blue and silver text inspired design for a conferences. Tone of voice defines how the event communicates, whether warm and personal for wedding or professional yet inspiring for business events. Then, for the finally, the on-site experience reflects the branding through decor, signage, giveaway, and interactive elements such as photo booth with the couple's monogram or branded stage design at conference. In essence, a branding is not just the look of that event, it's how people experience and remember it, making any celebration or conferences truly unforgettable. An event positioning strategy determines how your event stands out and why people choose to attend. It focuses on what makes the event different from others, such as an intimate seaside wedding instead of traditional banquet hall celebrations. So, a key part of positioning is identifying the unique selling propositions or USP. which highlights a feature or experiences that only your event offers. For example, a personalized bow writing session for each guest couple. Positioning also differentiate the events from similar occasions like hosting an eco-friendly wedding with sustainable decor and locally sourced flowers. Ultimately, it answered the question, why should someone attend? So providing a compelling reason tailored to the audience interests and needs, such as enjoying a unique, immersive, and unforgettable celebration. In short, a strong positioning strategy makes the event memorable. It creates excitement and ensures guest experiences its unique value. For the client, analysis is essential for understanding the vision behind an event and ensuring planning aligns with the client's goal. So it begins by identifying the client's objectives, such as celebrating a couple's love story with family and friends while creating lasting memory. Next, it is important to understand their definition of success, clarifying how they measure a successful event. For example, a seamless ceremony, happy guests, beautiful photo, and meaningful moments. So planner must also explore budget and timeline constraints, knowing financial limits and key deadlines like $20,000 budget and the wedding date 6 months away. So finally, the event concept must align with the client's goal, ensuring the theme, style, and activities reflect their vision, such as rustic garden wedding with personalized decor and intimate settings. In essence, understanding the client vision is the foundation of successful event planning, guiding every decision from theme to logistic to meet their expectation. So audience analysis is crucial for understanding who will attend event and how to make their experience enjoyable. So planners start by examining demographic information such as age, gender, and location. For example, wedding guests may mostly be family and close friend aged 25 to 60, mostly local residents. So it's also important to understand psychographic and preferences, learning about guest interests, values, and lifestyle. So for instance, attendees might prefer interactive and memorable experiences over formal ceremonies. So we need to identify audience pain points to help avoid challenges that could affect enjoyment, such as long waiting times between the ceremony and receptions or limited dietary options. So, the planner can use tools like surveys and social media listening to gather data on expectation and feedback. For example, sending RSVP survey to ask about music preferences, food choices, or special accessibility needs. So, in short, knowing your audience allows planners to tailor every detail, ensuring the wedding is enjoyable and memorable for everyone. So using tools for comprehensive analysis help planners to make informed decision and to create a personalized, memorable event. So free event surveys can collect guest preferences and expectations such as meal choices, song requests, um, personalized or meal choices, preferred setting arrangements, social media listening, that can allow planners to monitor trends, feedback, and engagement online. So, for example, checking comments or posts on the couple's wedding page to see what excite guests. Stakeholders interview gathered insight from key people involved in the planning process, such as talking to the couple, family members for the wedding party about priorities and must-have elements. So industry reports provide inspiration and benchmarking by highlighting trends and best practices like micro-wedding, eco-friendly decor, or interactive photo booths. So finally, event registration data helps anticipate guest needs, tracking RSVPs, dietary restriction, and accessibility requirements. So by using multiple analysis tools, planner can ensure every details align with guest expectation and the the client vision. So balancing creativity and strategy is key to planning an event that is both visually stunning and meaningful. So planners should align creative ideas with the client goals, ensuring every element supports the co-full vision. For example, designing a whimsical garden theme that reflects their love for nature. It is equally important to address the target, such as providing kid-friendly activities and comfortable setting for elderly attenders. So planner must also ensure measurable outcomes, defining ways to evaluate success, like collecting guest feedback on enjoyment, the smooth flow of events, and satisfactions with food and entertainment. Finally, creativity should be combined with strategy to create memorable and purposeful experiences, such as surprise couple performance or personalized keepsakes for each guest. So, balancing creativity with strategy ensures that wedding is not only beautiful but also meaningful and enjoyable for everyone involved. So, reflection questions. You can reflect on the key principles of event planning, answer the following questions in your own word, and submit your responses to your respective instructors. So, thank you all for your listening. I hope you enjoyed today's session and found it helpful. Don't forget to reflect on what we discussed and look forward to seeing your response. Have a wonderful day, everyone.